Hi guys, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my base makeup and what all products I'm gonna use. So to know how I do it, please continue watching. So for now I have literally nothing on my face, and the first step I'm gonna do is the aloe vera gel. I have this aloe vera gel from Yogi Herbal. You can use any other brands, it's up to you, but I use this. So let's do it. I'm just pushing it into my skin. Always remember that when you massage anything in your skin, you should massage it upwards so that your face remains lifted. Okay, so I'm done with it, and the next thing I'm gonna apply is the moisturizer. I have this moisturizer from Joy. This is very good moisturizer. I prefer those who have super dry skin. I have super dry skin, so this moisturizer helps my skin to remain hydrated for a very long time. So I'll just apply it in a little quantity. Okay, so we are done with it, and now we'll start with primer. So the primer I'm going to use is from Body Care. This is a silicone based primer. You have to apply it in a little quantity wherever you have pores, and just push it in your skin. And guys, let me tell you, primer is the very important step when you do your makeup, when you start doing your makeup. So don't neglect this stage, this step. Okay, so next step is foundation. I use foundation from Pack Cosmetics. My shade number is 2.1. So let's do it. Just apply it on my entire face. Don't forget to apply it on your neck also. I'm just taking a damp beauty blender and blending it up. Make sure you blend well so that your makeup enhances more. Guys, if you're going to apply the concealer, then please don't apply foundation on your eyes, because if you're applying foundation and again you are going to apply concealer, then it's going to look cakey. Just dab. Okay, so I'm done with it, and the next step would be the concealer. I'm using this concealer. This is a drugstore concealer and just taking it on this finger and just dabbing it. You have to push it. Can you see the difference? It just highlights your under eye. You don't need to put another concealer to highlight your under eye. I'll take the beauty blender and just dab. Can you see the difference in this eye and this eye? So the same thing we'll do on this. Okay, so we are almost done, and the last step is the compact powder. I'm using the compact from Lotus Makeup. This is how it looks. And I'm just taking the sponge and I'm gonna dab where I have applied the concealer. Not much, just dabbing. And the remaining, not taking more, and just remaining on the full face. So guys, I'm done with my base makeup, and now I can go ahead and do my rest of the makeup. So guys, as you can see, my skin is glowing because I apply aloe vera gel before starting my makeup. So this is it for this video. If you want me to do how I do contour, highlighter and blusher, or how I do my eyebrows, or how I do my eye makeup or lips, so let me know in the comment section, and please like my video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you in the next video. Bye.